Naledi Aphiwe has social media buzzing after a bold message she shared on her Instagram story, where she told men to reduce sending her DMs, saying she loves money and most of them are simple do not have it. The singer's blunt statement quickly went viral, sparking mixed reactions online, with some fans praising her for being honest and knowing what she wants, while others accused her of being materialistic and disrespectful. Many men took to the comments to express their frustration, saying her message was unnecessary and insulting, while supporters argued that Naledi is allowed to set her own standards and be upfront about her preferences. As the debate continues to trend, one thing is clear: Naledi knows how to keep her name in the headlines and internet talking. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts down below, and I will see you on my next upload.